What made you stand against your own brotherhood? As a police lieutenant, I saw something today that broke our department's trust. One of our officers shot a cuffed suspect in below chest. By some miracle, the victim survived. During investigation, we learned it wasn't about the arrest at all. The officer had caught his wife cheating that morning. He came to work carrying that rage, looking for someone to hurt. Watching the body cam footage in our briefing room, you could see the exact moment he snapped. The suspect said something about his wife, not knowing the officer's situation. One trigger pull later, everything changed. The officer got arrested immediately. None of us tried defending him. You don't get to bring personal demons to work, especially with a badge and gun. When they questioned him, he broke down about his wife's affair. But that excuse doesn't bring back trust. Some of my officers struggled with arresting one of our own. But I told them straight that he is not one of us anymore.